I'm Alexa Faye Dampil, BSIT 2A. Ito yung code ko, sir. So, bali, iraran ko siya. So, yung napili kong design, sir, is plain lang. Para mas maayos tignan. So, pipindutin natin yung register. Then, sa username, magkakabit tayo ng Alexa. Sa password naman is Alexa din. Confirm password, Alexa. Address, Sepong, Bulacan. Tapos, yung country natin is Philippines. So, yung birthday naman is June 29. Ay, ba't ganun? After register. Registration successful. So, okay. So, itatype natin yung username is Alexa. Password is Alexa. Then, login. Login successful. Okay. Then, ito na yung kalalabasan sa yung welcome Alexa. Address sa Pulaon. Country is Philippines. Birthday June 29. Then, log out.